Welcome back! Kanina po napag-usapan natin yung mga products ng company natin. So, I'm sure you can say na we have very, very good products. And since we have a very good products, it is also good for business. So, kung kayo po ay naghahanap ng extra kitaan or extra dagdag sa hanap buhay natin, then this could be one thing that you can do. So, let me explain. Now, ganito. Of course, kailangan po natin ng kapital. So, if you're here in the Philippines, you can start with the 8,000 product package. So, that will cost you 8,148. Now, syempre, some of you would ask, ay, ang laki naman ng 8,000. Pero kung iisipin mo, kung mag-sari-sari store ka ngayon, yung 8,148, kulang pa po yan. Syempre, meron kang business permit, meron kang barangay permit or sanitary permit. At the same time, kailangan mo po ng rent, kailangan mo pa ng staff, kailangan mo pa ng refrigerator if you're starting a store. See, kulang po yung 8,148. But you know what's good with the 8,148? Very low po yung risk. Actually, is zero risk. Kasi nga, this product package, of course, number one, it comes with a product. Set of products po yan na still a total of 8,100. Minsan nga, may mga product package na umaabot po ng 8,300. So, bawi mo kagad yung puhunan. Yung tinatawag nating ROI or Return of Investment. Number two, meron ka pong discount. So, the discount can be from 30 to 50%. Lifetime po yan. So, kahit saang opisina ka po bibili, let's say sa Cagayan de Oro or sa Iligan or sa Davao or in let's say Cebu. So, kahit saan ka pong opisina bibili, gamit lang po yung account number mo, meron ka pong discount. And aside from the discount, we also get a sales kit. Now, ano po yung sales kit? It comes with a CD, it comes with brochures, it comes with a DTI permit, it comes with a sack, so you're good to go. And aside po sa sales kit, meron po tayong tinatawag na online portfolio. So, pag sumali ka po sa UNO, bigyan may account number ka at saka password. So, lahat ng transactions mo makikita siya online. So, you can withdraw your funds online at the same time, matrace mo din kung sino yung mga taong sumasali sa network mo. Now, aside from the online portfolio, of course, you will be given a 120,000 na accidental death insurance. So, wag po natin yung i-claim, magnegosyo muna tayo, okay? Kasi ano yan death insurance po yan. And of course, aside from that, we also have trainings. So, since bago pa po tayo nagnegosyo, meron po tayong mga trainings dito kung paano gagawin. How to do it properly. Now, if you'd like to become a doctor, syempre you have to study it for like 16 years. And nobody pays a first-year medical student. But anyone will pay a very good doctor. See? So, dapat tayo po pag-aralan natin ng mabuti, ng maigi yung negosyo natin. Kaya, meron tayong mga trainings dito. Alright? So, this is the product package that you can get with just one-time fee of 8,148. You get the products, you get the training, you get the sales kit, you get discount, lifetime po yan, at hindi po mawawala yung account niyo. Let's just say, nagpa-member po kayo ngayon, bumili kayo ng product package, but bibili kayo ulit 3 years after. Okay lang po yun, nandyan pa rin ang account niyo. So, ito po yung investment natin. At ang question naman is, Mer, how do you do it? Na ako po, dati po akong call center agent. Nag-resign po ako after 4 months of doing the business. Now, some of you are working right now or maybe you're a homemaker, nasa bahay po kayo. Now, you don't have to quit your job or you don't have to leave your job. This is a add-on and we can use this to prepare for retirement. So, ako po, I choose to pursue this business kasi nga, yung part-time po ako, kumikita na ako na at least mga 5,000 a week. So, I wanted to go full-time and learn the business as much as I can. So, meron po tayong 10 ways to earn kasi nga MLM na ang uno. But, since yung 10 ways to earn is kinda, medyo yung 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is medyo siya, you might be having a hard time to understand kasi nga it's by rank. Pero, explain ko na lang sa inyo yung basic kung paano kikita dito. Alright? So, the first way to earn is meron tayong tinatawag na direct selling. Now, you know what's good with a company is wala po tayo quota. So, you don't have to sell 10,000 or 20,000 a month or 50,000 a month. At the same time, wala po tayong minimum purchase. So, you can just buy mga one soap or dalawang lotion or dalawang coffee. And, so for example, you buy one box of Ultima C. That will cost you 525. And ang selling price natin is 750. So, 750 minus 525, meron kang at least mga, let's just say, mga, how much is that? 200, 5 to 5. Meron ka at least mga 225 na profit. So, well, it's just 225, pero what if you can sell 10 boxes? So, 225 times 10, that's a total of 2,250 in 1 month. Extra income po. So, if your salary is like 15 or 20,000, so meron kang extra 2,250. So, solved na po yung electricity bill natin or water bill. Now, aside from that, meron tayong tinatawag na referral bonus. So, ano po yung referral bonus? Well, simple lang po yung concept. The company pays for everyone that refers a distributor, a new distributor, or to a new customer. So instead of the company paying ABS-CBN or GMA to promote the products, tayo po mga distributor ang binabayaran ng company to promote the products through word of mouth. So tayo pong magchichika-chika sa mga kapitbahay natin, oh, alam mo, ang ganda ng coffee, or ang ganda ng toothpaste, or ang ganda ng sabon. See? Now, every time we refer people, kasi mag-invite ka, share mo sa kanya yung negosyo, tapos gusto niya maging distributor, or gusto lang niyang maging consumer sa product kasi nga sa discount. So, every time you refer somebody, you get 1,250. Now, that 1,250 divided in two parts po yan. 450 yung cash, and then 750 naman yung gift certificate. So, yung referral bonus naman natin is unlimited. You can refer as much as you want. You can refer 10, you can refer 20, you can refer 100, or you can refer 1,000 people. Depende po yan sa'yo. So, that's referral bonus. Now, let's just say you can refer 10 people. So, meron kang mga 10 na kaibigan na gustong mag-distribute ng products, or let's just say gusto sila mag-consume. So, you get 12,250 as extra bonus from the company. So, ganyan po siya kagaling. Now, of course, aside from direct selling, aside from the referral bonus, meron din tayong tinatawag na advertising bonus. Now, ano po yung advertising bonus? Okay, advertising bonus. Sa sinabi ko kanina, the company pays us to advertise the product. So, we sell product packages. And every time we sell product packages, number one, meron tayong referral bonus. At the same time, meron din tayong advertising bonus. Na ano ba yan? Advertising bonus or matching bonus. So, this is how it works. Since Uno is a network marketing company, we are encouraged to create our lab sales team. So, for example, your name is Mary. So, let's write that down. Mary. And we are encouraged by the company to create a left sales team and a right sales team. Now, for example, ikaw si Mary. Mary referred Ben. So, si Ben, ni-refer niya si Ben. And then si Mary naman, ni-refer niya si Kate. So, yung server natin, by 12 midnight, pag nakadetect siya ng isang package on the left and isang product package on the right, meron niya tinatawag na matching bonus. And then, you will receive a commission. How much is the commission? So, that will give you 500 pesos. Okay na po? Now, ito. Let's say si Ben, meron din siyang na-refer kasi meron siyang kaibigan na gusto niya uminom ng grapeseed. And since makaka-discount siya pag magpa-member, so naging member. So, let's say, ang pangalan niya, Dave. Na ito naman si Kate, meron din siyang kaibigan. Let's say, ang pangalan is si Joy. So si Joy, bumili siya ng product package. Now, still the same. Pag nag-match yan, meron ka namang extra 500 pesos. So, let's say meron kang nirefer. Dito may nirefer ka, ito may nirefer ka. Si Joy may nirefer na isa, ito may nirefer na isa, ito. So, kahit hindi mo na kilala yung mga tao, you will be paid. Now, ito ha, 1 left, 1 right, that's 500. 1 left, 1 right, that's 500. 1 left, 1 right, 500. See? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yung first to 5 pair mo, the company pays you 500 per pair. Now, di lang siya hanggang dyan. For example, ito, meron na naman siyang isa. Ito, merong isa. Ito, merong isa. Ito, merong isa. Ito, merong isa. Meron na naman isa. Meron na naman isa. Merong isa dito. Isa dito. Isa dito. Isa. Merong isa. Here's how it works. Meron naman isa dito, 1 pair. That will give you 1,000 pesos po. And this one, another 1,000 pesos. This one, another 1,000 pesos. And this one, another 1,000 pesos. Now, that is just 6 to 10. Meron kang 1,000 pesos. On the 11 to infinity, kahit you have like 1,000 or 2,000 pairs, that is always 1,500 for you. So, for Mary, that is 1,500. This is another 1,500. And merong isa dito. This is, let's say may isa dyan. So, it is another 1,500. And another one here. So, 1,500. And another one here. That's another 1,500. Now, you know what's good with our company? Hindi po kailangan na perfect yung shape ng network natin. So, kahit po butal-butal siya or something, basta, ang computation lang is 1 on the left and 1 on the right. That gives you a pair. So, meron din tayong maximum income per day. Kahit ang dami-daming sumasali or kahit ang dami-daming bumibili ng product packages every day, ang babayaran lang po is 10. So, that is 10. And then 10. Nag-match po yung 10. So, 10 times 1,500. Yung maximum income po dito, tayo ha, yung maximum income po natin sa matching bonus is just 15,000 per day. And then, 450,000 per month. Okay na po kayo dito? No, let's just say meron kang 15,000 extra per month. Do you think may improvement yung lifestyle mo? Do you think yung credit card mababayaran mo na? Do you think if you have 15,000 per day, you can get that education that you've been wanting for your kids? See, kahit siguro extra 3,000 a month. Mababayaran natin yung electricity bill, yung water bill, yung bill mo sa signal, or let's say your Globe bill. See, malaki po ang impact nito sa buhay natin. So this is the third way to earn. Yung fourth way to earn is tinatawag po natin uni-level. Now, ano po yung uni-level? Ang uni-level or rebase is a very simple concept. Now, every time po, yung mga tao bibili ng, diba, this is your network. So, every time these people buy soap, they buy lotion, they buy coffee, they buy Ultimacy, they buy Crypto Organic, they buy Fitrite, meron pong papasok sa iyo na 2, 1 peso, 3 peso, 5 peso, actually very small. But since malaki na yung network mo, so it's just like 3 pesos, but 1,000 people, so that gives you 3,000 passive income every month. So, what's good with the uni-level is you get paid for the things you did in the past. So, kahit tong araw ka lang, let's say 5 years ago ka lang humataw, nag-build ng network, you build your organization, tapos they keep on buying the products 2 years after, 3 years after, you get paid. You will have 3,000, 5,000, 10,000 in commission paid by the company as your uni-level. See? Ito po yung pinaka-basic natin na paraan sa pagkita. Actually, meron po tayong 10 ways to earn. But, yung 5 is more on the rank kasi meron tayong mga rank dito. You can be a sapphire, pwede ka mag-ruby, pwede ka mag-diamond. So, the concept is the higher the rank, the higher the bonuses. Meron kang MLM bonus, meron kang generation bonus, but as a start, pwede po itong 4, yung pinaka-basic po ang pag-aralan. And yung 10 ways, ika-10 way to earn natin is the profit sharing. So yun po yung pinaka malaking kitaan. The 10 way to earn is the profit sharing. Now, ano po yung profit sharing? Let's say, yung ranggo mo is sa diamond. Pag diamond ka, meron kang 2 share. So, pag hahataw po tayo dito sa company, pag lalaki po yung group sales natin, meron kang profit share. So, para kang may-ari ng uno. So, how does that work? Yung 3% po na sales sa company per month, sinishare po yun sa sino yung may mga ranggo na nakaka-acquire, nakakakuha ng share. So, nagsisimula po siya sa Ruby. Now, for you to become a Ruby, kailangan po ng mga 1.8 million na group sale per month. So, hindi po yan nangyayari agad-agad. So, it will take you like 3 years or 4 years or 5 years. But, then again, when you become an executive, then you will have a share. So, this 3% will be divided among those people who are also executives like you. So, for example, what if yung 3% is, let's say, 1 million? So, if you're 10 people who are executives, let's say, Ruby kayong lahat. So, bawat isa sa inyo, meron kayong 1 share. So, 1 million divided by 10, that makes it 100,000 pesos per share. And yung profit sharing po natin is done every year. So, this is it po. Ito po yung paraan sa pagnegosyo po natin. Now, why did I join Uno? Simple lang po. Laking bukid po ako. I grew up in a farm sa Claveria and nakita ko po yung negosyo as a way for me to get what I wanted in life. Well, I'm okay na, mahirap kami sa bukid, wala nga kaming kurente, pero I did not stop from that. Kumbaga, why will I not try? Anyway, wala namang mawawala sa akin. So, way back 2009, when I was introduced to the business, of course, I hesitated, I doubted, I feared, I said, kaya ko kaya to, hindi naman ako negosyante, pero sabi ko sa sarili ko, okay, i-try ko lang. Anyway, wala namang mawawala sa akin. So, ito po, marami tayong mga travel incentive. So, for the last 6 years po, this is my ongoing 6th year, ang 2015. I have been to the US. Meron po akong 10-year multiple entry. Tapos, I've been to Japan. Nakapunta na rin ako sa Hong Kong, sama yung mama ko. Tapos sa Singapore, sama ko yung mama ko, yung papa ko, yung husband ko, yung pamangkin. So, I've been to a lot of places in the world. I have been to Dubai like 4 times already. And this business, it took me to places na I never thought I would ever see. Now, some of you are kinda thinking na, saan ako maghanap ng 8,000 or paano ba ako magbenta ng sabon? Paano ba ako mag-endorse? Now, my advice, my encouragement for you is you just take the first step. Take the first step lang. Kumbaga, by faith, you take the first step, the staircase will just show up by itself. It will just be evident. Kasi meron tayong mga trainings dito. Siyempre, tuturuan ka rin namin kung paano yun gagawin. Like this CD, yung video na to, I just recorded this at home because I wanted to share with you the business. And of course, I cannot be everywhere like all the time. So, ginawa ko po, nag-record ako ng video, record ako ng product presentation para anyone can show this to your friends, to your neighbors, or to your families, to your relatives. And if you have a question, you just have to ask the person who invited you. Now, this business po, hindi po to get rich quick scheme na sali ka tapos tomorrow malaki na yung kita mo. Hindi po. This requires a lot of action. This requires a lot of sweat. Dapat talaga, dapat magtatrabaho ka. You have to talk to people. You have to learn the product. Pag-aralan mo po kung paano yung, para saan yung crypto organic, para saan yung grapeseed. So, we are paid according to our performance. So, when you get into this business, depende po sa'yo, depende po kung magkano yung gusto mo kitain. You can earn as much as 3,000 per month. You can earn as much as 30,000 per month. You can earn even 100,000 a month. You can earn even up to 1 million a month. Depende po yon sa trabaho mo. So if masipag ka, if malaki yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay, then this is for you. But if okay lang po kayo sa buhay nyo, if you're okay with your salary, if you don't need an extra paycheck, if you don't need an extra amount that would come to your bank, then it's okay. Walang problema po. Just talk to the person who invited you, and yung company po natin is going global. So far, meron tayong Dubai, meron tayong Singapore, meron tayong Hong Kong, Macau, and this year, we're opening Nigeria and US and India. So ang super ganda po. We are international business people. So even when you're at home, pwede ka po magtrabaho. So pag may Facebook ka, connect to your friends lang. Tapos yung products natin, super the best po. Yung mama ko, hindi siya basta-basta nakakatulog kasi may insomnia siya. But she's taking the mangosteen. Pag she drinks mangosteen during nighttime, nakakatulog po siya ng mahimbing. See? Napapagaling po yung katawan natin kung ano man yung mga sickness or diseases. At the same time, it gives value, it increases our bank account. So we can get the travel. So instead of having that alarm clock every day, pwede na po natin yan i-change. So ang negosyo po na to, kung bigyan mo lang siya ng sipag, bigyan mo ng panahon, you invest money on improving yourself, ang layo po ng pwede mong marating. So, talk to the person who invited you. Once again, this is Mer Sodaria, and I'm so happy I shared with you this business. Good morning po.